Hey friends, today I am making a bacon and egg pasta salad. This is a great dish to have around if you are contributing to a potluck, as a side for a family get-together, if you are doing meal prep for the week, or if you just want a quick grab-and-go type dish. Or perhaps you just got done running a marathon and you need to calorie load. Okay, so we are going to put our macaroni pasta into the salted boiling water. So let's get our boiled eggs going. Let's slice up some celery. Hey, there's no shame in using light mayo for this dish if you want. You're talking about 1/3 the calories. Light mayonnaise is one of the few diet foods that actually tastes somewhat close to the original. So I got the mixing bowl here. We're gonna get started with the light or regular mayonnaise. Let's never forget the all-important salt. Never forget. Now to add a little bit of color, I got some plain paprika here, but if you want to warm it up a little bit, I got some Kashmiri chili pepper. Buy chili powders, spices, and custom blended rubs at my store at sanjaycookery.com. Now let's add the celery that we cut up. Okay, so I'm going to make an ice bath here. I want to stop the eggs from cooking. Oh no, I made too much. Amateur tip for your kitchen, it's really great to save your bacon fat and store it in the fridge because it's going to be really useful in cooking other dishes and adding secret behind the scenes flavor. Running the eggs under warm water is going to help separate the membrane between the egg and the shell. If you want to chop up the egg by hand, by all means go ahead, but you can also just use an egg slicer. What I do is do it one way, then turn it around, and then do it the other way, and then just drop it in. Now don't chop up the bacon into too small pieces. You don't want it to disappear into the salad. You want to taste the bacon. So there's a couple of optional things that I'm doing here. You don't have to do it, but this is a rather beige colored food. I like something fresh and green, and I'm going to use some Italian parsley here. Also, I like another burst of added kick, and here are some nice citrusy, delicious serrano peppers I'm using. Again, optional. And there you have it. This tasty pasta salad is great for home, picnics, potlucks, and simply just taking for work.